What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. Me and Isai here. It's been a while. I haven't posted anything in a long time, but I got a big surprise for you guys. That's not my surprise, but it's Isai's surprise. You want to give it to him?
Well, you guys know I had the 350Z, but you know, all good things must come to an end, and I eventually kind of knew I needed to upgrade, and a bunch of people gave me crap because it was an automatic, even though I loved it. I love both manual or automatic, but yeah.
But it had paddles, so
yeah, I mean, it was fine.
Sequential,
But you know, people complain when so I was like, all right. You know, I'll listen. I'll see what we can do. But yeah, slowly working in the background and sold it, but now we got something new. So,
bam! God damn! What a fucking major upgrade.
Yeah, dude. So,
major.
350Z was a V6. Now we're going V8. Two-seater, two-door coupe like always. I love those, so I wasn't gonna give that up. The most logical choice was to get a Corvette, man. So
yeah. Show them what's inside. Show them what's different. What's different in there?
So
basically, that stick.
Yep.
Is that stick?
So
no more auto.
Nah,
oh shit.
That's a real shift boot right there, and that's that's a real shift knob. And that's a 7-speed right there, so yeah, man, we're rolling manual now. So,
major upgrade.
So this is the next level, you know what I mean?
And Isai already did the first mod without me.
Yep.
First mod, tail lights, as you guys can tell, something way different. You want to turn them on? You can see them. Damn. That's the
tail lights right there.
I honestly think they look pretty sick. So they're pretty tight, pretty fly.
I wanted to make it a little different, you know, than the other Corvettes for now. So that was a little quick upgrade I could do. But yeah, I freaking love them too. Sequentials, baby.
Yeah, they're pretty good. First mod, tail lights. Second mod that we're about to do today.
Second mod, baby.
Woo! What is it? What is it?
That's a Corsa double helix X pipe. So we're gonna be removing the stock X pipe on this Corvette, and yeah. It's gonna be lit.
Yeah, so let's get
great. Apparently that X-Pipe makes things sound like more exotic or whatever. Yeah. But dude, it sounds good as it is. I just can't imagine how much better it'll be.
And we already went to go film some befores, but you guys will see them after we do the install. But we're gonna might as well just jump right into it. Isai was actually explaining to me that you actually have to use like a special tool to jack up the Corvette, or actually it helps out.
I think it's this one, right? Yeah, puck. So I think these have like Corvettes under them. They have this like kind of hole that the puck goes in, and then you put that in. You can twist it to lock it, and then that's where your jack pushes up the vehicle, right? It's some recommended lift points, I think is what they call them. So yeah, I got one puck, and we'll start lifting it one side at a time, and then putting jack stands under her and getting her up in the air.
We'll see. Yep. We'll see how it goes. First time working on a Corvette.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully
Me too.
hopefully it's as easy as a 350.
Hell yeah, man.
So let's just jump right into it.
Yes,
let's do it.
Here's the puck, and then this is where it actually slips in right here. So I don't know if you can see that.
Actually pretty low, your Corvette, man.
Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Stock, baby. So that's where this baby just slides in, and then you can just spin it, and it won't fall out. It's a little loose, but you know, just place it there, and your jack comes here, and then this actually lifts the body without ruining everything on the side or your, you know, side panel or your little.
Let you do the honors since it's your car. Phew.
First jack. First jack with mini jacks, bro. It's a nice jack, bro. This is better than that other jack.
And you know what? It's Harbor Freight.
Yeah, dude.
Remember the black one that I had?
Yeah. Little mini jack. That was like an AutoZone jack, huh, dude?
Nah, it was Craftsman, man.
Craftsman.
But it was the old school. It was old. So we finally got the Corvette lifted up in the air. It's kind of weird saying we got a Corvette.
Yeah.
Lifted in there.
It's kind of weird to see it this high.
And we got it on these 2 points right here. In the beginning, the piece of wood in the front, and then we got those 2 points right there with the jack assisting. So we're pretty much safe to be down here. All we gotta do now is just remove these bolts. And Isai?
Yep.
All these right here, get all this exposed, and start removing that exhaust off. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah. So those points look kind of weird. I know the jack stands are kind of close, but that's the recommended points that I found online, so
it should work.
We'll find out.
I mean, we shook it and everything, so it's
we got a jack stand there. We got, you know, blocks under the wheels in case something happens, the wheels fall on something, give us more space to come out if anything. So
hell yeah, safety's first.
Safety first. See how it has that little notch right there?
Yeah.
So it should slide this way. That's it.
Shoo!
She ready.
Look at those baby cats.
Bye bye.
this shit's about to be loud. Loud.
That was crazy, huh?
Jesus, man. That took a while.
Harder than I thought, but we figured it out.
Boy, look at those welds. This is stock?
Yep.
Damn.
Booger it up, baby.
To be honest, those were a pain in the butt.
Yep.
A real pain in the butt.
Stock kind of sucked taking it off, but
Yeah. But now, bigger and better things.
should be easy.
Bring the other one.
Slip on, bro.
Bring the other one so we can line them up. Line them up, line them up. Jeez. Look at that. Damn.
Alright.
From stock to loudness.
Yes.
Ba, 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 ba.
No more cats, a little more power,
Nope.
some better sound, bro.
Hell yeah. Let's do it. Let's get it installed. Well, we gotta take off the rubber grommet, switch it over, and then same thing. Put it back on.
Yeah, and just bolt it. Should bolt on. Hopefully.
Let's
Just
do it.
replace the little donut gaskets from here. We're gonna have to pop these off, replace them over, and that's it, man.
Yep. Let's do it. So I say he had a great idea. Great idea. Let's start it up right now. From the headers down. Yeesh. Get ready. God damn. That's loud, dude.
That sounds kind of nice.
I think what's gonna sound similar.
Hey, listen to that idle, dude.
Dude, it sounds nice, dude.
I had idles.
So we got the X pipe installed already. It took a while, but we actually got it done. It's fully tightened down. We're just gonna, Isai's gonna turn it on just to see if there's any leaks or anything like that before we actually put the center piece, the plate that covers it. So let's give it a rip.
Alright, man.
My bet is it's gonna sound the same, it's just it's gonna sound back here now.
I think it's gonna sound a little different.
Yeah.
Same loudness.
No, same as like when you had the headers, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
When it was just open headers. Oh, yeah. Oh hell yeah. That thing is loud.
It has a snarl.
That's loud.
It's like a snarl, like a
It is freaking loud. Look at
it is louder. Listen to that idle, dude.
Dude, it's freaking loud, man.
It sounds like a cam freaking.
Sounds nice. Check if there's any leaks.
Yeah, it has a nice look.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I think
Sounds toned.
exactly. I think
mean,
it has more of a tone now.
I mean, it already had a tone, but now it feels like more, like
Yeah.
deep.
Yeah, I feel like definitely has more tone now. It sounds different. Sounds more pronounced. It's a little louder from what I've heard so far. But
I can probably hear it too.
it's awesome. We're gonna see in the before and after, see how different it really is.
Yeah.
So far, no check engine light, nothing like that. So that's good. Scrap again. Second pull, second pull. This stuff is toxic, dude. Ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's some good stuff.
That's freaking fast.
That's that
Definitely doesn't compare to no 350Z, man.
Nah, dude, this thing blows it out of the water.
Yeah.
For sure, but I mean, I
feel it in the seat. Bah, bah.
This thing pegs you in the seat, man, and like to me, like I've never felt that before. It's been something different. Like you always feel a little bit of speed, but then you drive something else and you're like, this is even faster, right? What's
Yeah.
this? So like your level of speed or your knowledge of speed is like increasing, right?
Yeah.
And this thing's just like the next level, dude, for sure.
Damn.
Damn.
It feels
So-
good. It sounds good.
Feels good, sounds great. Might be, you know, a little loud, I guess, but I don't have stock exhausts on the car yet. They came like that. But, you know, if it's too loud, if I notice I don't really like it anymore, it's attracting too much attention, I might just buy a stock exhaust and slap it on and call it good. You
The
know?
stocky's the rear one up.
Yeah, the stock axle back, the one that has the MPP pipes or MPP valves.
So you can open and close.
Exactly, with the different modes and go a little more stealth mode. So that's kind of the goal of it, but dang, dude, this X pipe for sure changes sound. I feel the butt dyno a little bit better, dude.
Freaking butt dyno.
I
The
feel
butt
like
dyno never lies.
Nah, dude, you know, I feel like it's a little bit better. On those second gear pulls, I always do those for fun, and yeah, it definitely feels a little increase. The sound is different. It has a tone through the whole RPM range now. It's not just like low end gurgle and whatnot.
Yeah.